Welcome to the TechHub.training Alteryx Tax Tool Challenge solution. Let's get started. In this challenge, you were tasked to create a table of average effective tax rates by state with the data that you were given. As you can see here, you're given the company, assets, sales, and tax information for the year 2022. Now, what we could do to find the most complete tax information was add federal income tax plus state income tax and foreign income tax, but that would only work if all these numbers were positive. However, as you can see here in row 7, Carroll Group actually has a negative 523 of foreign income tax. And so if we add these numbers across, the 3612, the 1715, minus the 523, we get a total tax expense of $4,804. However, if we come down to row 308, here's Carroll Group again, same information, same assets, sales, pre-tax income, but in this case, we only have the federal and the state income taxes. So without the negative 523, our tax expense for this row looks like it would be $5,327. And so if we tried to order these rows by tax expense greatest to least, this wouldn't reflect the most complete row because row 308 of Carroll Group maybe collected data from a different site and didn't have information on foreign income taxes. And so that's why we had to use the absolute function. First, I changed the text to number because it was a CSV that we imported. Then I created a column to sum the absolute value of federal income taxes, state income taxes, and foreign income taxes to figure out the most complete row. From there, I sorted by company ID, so all rows of the same company are together. I then sorted by the value in the absolute value column with the greatest value at the top. As you can see here, we have all these companies, the block of their data, with the highest value in the absolute value column at the top. Now with the unique tool, here's the data that we had go into the tool, and I say I just want to show unique combinations of company ID and fiscal year. So what this tool will do is it'll come down to company ID and fiscal year, see this unique combination, and output it. It'll come down to row 2 and see that we already had this company ID and fiscal year, so it'll skip it. And so forth, on to 19002, 2020-22, and it'll show this row, but it'll skip the rest of these 1902, 2022 rows. That way we only have one row for each company, and we make sure that that row has the most complete tax information. From there, it was fairly simple. I just calculated the tax expense and the effective tax rate as such, and then grouped by state and calculated the average effective tax rate, sorted by average effective tax rate descending, and this is my solution. We hope you had fun building this challenge, that you learned something, and be sure to check out all the other challenges on the site, and good luck!